Okay. Is this folded one more time?
One
in
more
your
time.
hand?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
I like to show the
Joy
order.
break.
Yeah. Okay.
Put it around. Right? And you're gonna go just like this. Yeah.
Hold on.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
And then you're gonna take here. One end.
On the right one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Got it. Take your time and just get it nice and found and open. Okay, so you see all the colors on one side. And then you're going to take the earrings.
And the same thing at the point?
Yes. It's sometimes hard to grab the ends, so just, you know, be patient. Get the end. Just like, oh good, look at it. I love showing the colors like this. You're going to take those 2 points and okay. Good job, Lucia. Thank you. Doing great. She's doing great. Okay. There's a little tie there.
Yeah. Here we go.
And make sure it's big enough for your head. We're gonna put it over your head.
Okay, just a second, I'm missing something here. I have to do it all.
No, no, you got it. You can tuck this in. Let's go right.
There, okay.
I'm fresh and green. Oh, that refreshing green. Growing like a green, tall palm tree. Fresh and green. There. Look at.
Yeah?
Isn't that cute? And now, if you don't want that part, you can just tuck it in. Yeah, look at. Here. Look at.
Yeah?
Ta-da! This is the butterfly bow.
That was easy. That was
The butterfly
easy.
bow at Lucia J and B.
Oh, we did it!